Hey guys, it's your girl Pre. I know it's been a while since I've been here, but so many things have been happening, so many life changes since the last time I've been super active on here. I have moved, and I am actually expecting. I have to do another video with more baby content, but I'm currently 30 weeks this week, pregnant. So I wanted to do this video to share the Babylist Hello box. And this is a box that you get as a welcome gift if you have a Babylist Registry and you have a certain amount of items added on your registry. I'll link the exact numbers and details in the description. But you can get a free baby box. It's not really free because they do, of course, charge you $9 for the shipping, but it'll come in this box, Babylist box. And it has tons of things in it. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you get it. It's super cute, and I think that it comes with a lot of good stuff. So 10 out of 10 recommend if you are eligible to get this box. So some of the stuff that it came with, I'll start with samples first. I got some wipe samples from Water Wipes, which I'm excited to try. I heard these are really good for the baby. Also got some wipe samples from Ubi, these baby wipes. And I think many of the items that come in this box are like more natural and eco-friendly. So that's good too. If you're one of those people, I definitely am. I got some Honest wipes, and these are actually some of the wipes that we have requested for the baby. So excited to try those, even though I do have some of those already. We also got some diapers. So we got healthy baby diapers. I don't know if this is one or two. It's 2 diapers, size 1. And these are made with an outer layer organic cotton. So again, a lot of these are just samples, but I like it because if you fall in love with any of these, you can buy it instead of having to buy and return or test out so many boxes of products. Also came with the Huggy Skin Essentials, which I like these. I was trying to decide between these and a couple other diaper brands, so I'm excited that I get to sample these out and see how we like them. Also got a Kudos organic diaper. Well, it's 100% breathable cotton diaper. So I get to try this to see how we like this. Other things outside of diapers and wipes that I got. This Kinder Care bath set. It comes with a 2-in-1 hair and body wash and super soft lotion. So I'm excited to try this by Kinder Care. I also got an all-over ointment for baby. Another type of ointment. This one is triple protection ointment for baby. I got some stretch mark lotion, and thankfully I have not gotten any stretch marks, so I'm very happy and pleased about that. But I do plan to still use some type of lotion or oil or cream just to make sure my skin is healthy after birth. A sample of the Lancino Organic Nipple Balm, which I'm excited to try. I think this is actually on my registry. Another sample of Lancino. This one has a nursing pad in it and breast milk storage bag samples. So I'm excited to try this. I have some nursing pads on my registry as well, but it's not the Lancino brand. And the last sample I would say that I got is its Mom Cozy storage bag. And I actually got storage bags through my insurance. So I have to show you guys the storage bags that I got. So before we get into all of the products I got that weren't samples, I want to show you guys some of the different coupons that came with this. So a lot of these things say free, so I have to really look into it to see if it's free. But this one says for a free swaddle. Now, some of these might be like, you get a free swaddle if you spend $200, you know, but this is to Little Unicorn. I actually got one for Bobby, and this is for a free gift of $25 value. This is a formula company. This one is get a free product of your choice, and this is by Wellaments, and they do sell like gripe water, vitamin D drops. I've seen some of their products, and I think I actually did have some of this on my registry as well. So I'm gonna check this out and see what I can get. A 3-month trial of Uber One, Shutterfly 10 free birth announcements, and try a free bodysuit on us. This is actually by Babylist. So I have to look into this one and see exactly what they're offering. And the last one is 3 months of Tiny Beans Plus, some type of video service or memory service. So now let's get into some other cool things that came in the box. So first, this cute little onesie. And guys, this is so cute. It's by Kite Baby, and it's so soft. Like, I love the way that this feels. This feels amazing. Like, oh my goodness. And then it also came with a 20% off your first sleep bag purchase. So I'll be able to check this out as well. This is nice. So another freebie or discount. I got another onesie. So it came with 2 onesies. Oh, I'm so excited. It also came with 2 bottles. So we got 2 bottles, one Dr. Brown's. You see this? And this one is 0 months plus. And then it also came with a Phillips bottle. And this one doesn't say, but it looks like 0+ months because look at how small and cute it is. In addition to the 2 bottles, they gave 2 pacifiers. This one is by Suavenex, and everything, it looks like they're trying to do gender neutral, which is good. And this one by Bibs. And then lastly, we got a bib by Stonyfield Organic. And a burp cloth, and this burp cloth is by the Beaufort Bonnet Company. So those are all of the items that I got from the Babylist box. 10 out of 10 recommend. You may already be verified to get the Babylist box. Just go to the Babylist app, or if you have it on the website, go to the website and it'll tell you whether or not you're eligible to get the Babylist box. You just put in your address, you pay your $9, and they will ship this box to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.